तो हेलो गाइस, वेलकम बैक टू अवर न्यू वीडियो ऑफ ग्राफिक कोडर। तो आज हम आ चुके हैं एक और नई वीडियो के साथ। So today we will be doing part 2 of creating a simple calculator in which we will be finding some product and difference of the value that will be provided by user. So in last episode we have just discussed that how can we find sum of two values which is x and y which is provided by user. So today we will be doing two more things which is product and difference, in which user will be providing x and y, then we will be finding some product and their difference. So let's start by just revising yesterday's work, in which we started with int x and y, which are two variables that are declared here. Then three variables are declared which are sum, product and difference. Diff means different. So here we are typing type a number which is blank space which will be declared soon, which is x. So sin means user input will be x. So there will be written type a number, then the code will ask for a number which will be x. So then the user will press enter key, then it will switch to next line which is count type another number. Code will ask user to type for another number that will be declared here. So next number user will be asked, that is y, which means in y we have declared both x and y. Then user press enter, then the main story starts, in which we have made changes from last episode. So in last episode we just did sum, now we are doing product and diff. So till here we have done. Now product, as I said, plus multiply means star or plus, and minus, so they are also predefined like count, sin, int and many more other variables. They are already predefined, so no need to declare them. So product is equals to x into y, so the product will be x multiplied by y or x times y. And the diff means difference, so difference is actually subtraction of y from x, which means x minus y. So we have added these two lines new to this code, and then we have used count, which is printing the sum is dash, the product is dash, and the difference is dash, and the text which will be written here is sum, product and diff. These three are variables that are declared here. Diff is equals to x minus y, product is equals to x into y, and sum is equals to x plus y. And x and y are declared here, in which user will enter x and y both. Let's try it out, that does this code work or not. Now one more thing that I would like to mention here, that there is a mistake that we have done here, and after the output I'll tell you what was the mistake. And till now you can find it out that what is the mistake, that if we make output, then what is the thing that we are missing out. You can pause the video here, I'll be telling the mistake during the out. So F9, type a number, so we suppose 7 and another number is 3. So x is equals to 7 and y is equals to 3. So if we press enter, then the answer will be the sum is 10, product is 21 and the difference is 4. That's the mistake that we have done. So the mistake was we have not declared that the line ended here, so it is continuing the same line. To fix it, we can use intersection operators and L, so it will then start the new line. So now we have entered new line. Again we will be typing x is equals to 7 and y is equals to 3. So the sum is 10, which means 7 plus 3 is equals to 10. Then 7 times 3, which is 21, and the difference between 7 and 3 is 4, which means 7 minus 3 is equal to 4. 7 plus 3 is equals to 10. 7 times 3 is equals to 21, and 3 subtracted from 7 is 4. Now let's add another value, which is divide. So comma div, then divide is declared, then we have to declare what is div, which is div is equals to x divided by y, semicolon. Then here we have declared a new variable which is div, which is divide. So div is equals to x divided by y. So then we have entered a new line which is count div is the division of x divided by y is dash, the div is dash. So handle new line. So F9, if we try it out, F9, so here if we choose first value x as 10 and second value as 2, so the sum is 12, the product is 10 times 2 is equals to 2, which is 20. Then the difference is 8, which is 10, 2 subtracted by 10, so which is 2 minus 10 is equals to 8. Then div means division, 10 divided by 2, which is 5. So this is it for today, and hope you enjoyed the video. And till now, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and thanks for watching.